dumpster rental service in Mount Olive, North Carolina. When it comes to reliable dumpster rental service in Mount Olive, North Carolina, Dumpster Pro North Carolina is the top choice. Our team offers efficient waste management solutions for both residential and commercial projects. We provide a variety of dumpsters to accommodate cleanups of any scale. From home renovations to large construction projects, our dumpsters are perfect for all your waste disposal needs. Our professional team at Dumpster Pro North Carolina is committed to ensuring your project stays on schedule with timely delivery and pickup. We strive to make your waste removal process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or business owner, you can count on us for dependable service. We pride ourselves on delivering high-quality dumpsters and exceptional customer support. At Dumpster Pro North Carolina, we offer competitive pricing that ensures you get the best value for your dumpster rental in Mount Olive, North Carolina. Our transparent and fair rates have no hidden fees so that you can trust the cost of our service. We are committed to making waste management easy and convenient. Call us at 984-341-2939 to book your dumpster today, and let us help you keep your project clean and on track. You can rely on efficient, hassle-free waste disposal solutions to keep your projects clean, on schedule, and worry-free.